So one of my favorite things about the Cybertruck is how much space you get inside. You get all this floor space. This is really nice for bags and whatnot. Then up here you have a pretty decent sized center console. I have the Foundation series, so this tray comes with it. And then it gets pretty deep down in here where you can just put things down there. But as you can see, it's kind of a mess. I just kind of have everything just pushed in there. I'm not really utilizing any of this down space on a daily basis. So that's where my good friends at TWraps comes into play. TWraps makes a lot of accessories for Teslas and other EVs, but they're also making a lot of accessories for the Cybertruck. So they went ahead and sent me some items. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing, open these up, and install them. So this is the behind the screens. So back here you can see there's a lot of dead space. So this is a nice little tray that's gonna go back there. Okay, so these are two little trays that will go in the back of the screen. So let's get these assembled. So it's essentially just lining up these grooves. So as you can see, now we're utilizing the unused space behind the screen, and it's very tight, it's very snug. It's not gonna just move while driving. And the great part about it is I think that's a great location for sunglasses. So as you can see over here, I have a bunch of sunglasses in here, my wife's, mine, some of my kids. Now I can clear up some of the space by putting stuff back here. It's actually really nice, some really good thinking. Okay, let's move on to the next product. So this is, and they give you these nice soft, like leather-like, not sure, no, it's not leather, but it's leather-like material that goes in there, so that way whatever you're placing in there isn't rubbing up against the plastic and damages whatever you're putting in. So that's actually a nice addition to the tray. So this is going to actually go down into this space. Let me get all my junk out of there. And once again, it's just a nice little way to organize some of your things. So for me, I can throw some cords down here. So that's a nice little addition. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so for the next product we have here, and maybe the most exciting, is the lower center organizer. So right there, as you can see, it just gives you some cubby space to put some items down there to kind of just store some stuff. Just getting some space for extra items. All right, let's move on to the last item. Okay, so this is really cool because it's a direct replacement for this tray right here that you get when you get the Foundation series. So as you can see, I'm really using this, but this is just has a few more cubbies, just a different configuration. This is more of like a rubbery product. This is plastic. So let's see how this fits in here and how I'm able to utilize it. What I like right here is there seems to be like a business card. A little cubby there that you could put some business cards in. I can kind of just put some of my junk in here. Now, one thing I will say is I wish somebody would make one for coins. I carry cash all the time. I know not everybody does, but I would like to see somebody make something for coins. But I do like how there's more sections than this. Plus, as you can see, this is a shallow. It doesn't go as deep as the main compartment, and this has that depth for everything. So you're able to hold a little bit more. So I do think this is an upgrade over this. I do like the rubbery feel, but the plastic, I mean, I guess doesn't bother me. So overall, really happy that TWraps sent me over these items. I think it's going to help organize the Cybertruck for myself. If you're interested in getting any of these products or any of their other products, go to TWraps.com, use code BUTTEREV for 10% off.